Yo, what's up, Thai fam, aka T Money fam? Today we're playing 3008. It's a very scary game inside of an Ikea. Y'all know those things are giant. So, we're just gonna be trapped in Ikea. So, here's the Ikea that we're trapped in. We gotta build a house, to survive. So, alright, chat. We'll build our house, Are these windows? Yeah, these are windows. Okay, we'll build it right here, because we already have windows. And we'll take this up. But, yeah, so basically we, construct our little base to survive the night. Hopefully we can survive the night, chat. This is our bed. We'll sleep here. I don't really have an editing program, so I can't, like, do a time lapse. I would, trust me. I mean, I probably could find one, but, I'm lazy. I'm not lazy. I'm just, I probably can't find one. I'm lazy. I probably just can't find one. I'm just kidding. Maybe one day, if you guys, chat, if you guys get me to, 65 subscribers, I will edit my videos. Crazy. I'll just pause for a bit. I'll pause my recording. I'll give you guys a tour of the house when I'm all back. Okay. Well, I'm back, guys. So now we have a pretty good start on a base. We got a little hatch for us to get in. Now we need food and stuff. So we're gonna grab this ice cream. Ice cream. What do I grab again? Oh, it's F. Okay. We got our stuff. We also need some light, so we'll get this pencil light thing. Yeah, so we need food to survive the night. So I'll explain what the night is in a sec. I just gotta put a pencil down. Oh yeah, this is lit. Let's drop our items. Oh. Okay, this is where we'll store our food right there. Lemons. Okay, first aid kits, those always gotta come in handy. Okay, what else do we need for a house? Where's that toy section I saw? There it is. We need some toys. Oh, and cookies, of course. Oh, and a scrub daddy. We'll just bring this into our house. Of course we need a scrub daddy. It doesn't need one of these. We'll just, slide it on through there. Okay. Yeah, we'll go. Shit! So this is nighttime. That actually scared the crap out of me. Gonna grab this for finish the roof. Yeah, so nighttime is not very pretty. Our goal is to make the best house ever. Since you guys I know were wondering. Right now we don't have much of a house. And guys, you gotta expect more of this content like this. This is top quality content right here. So this is our house. Oh, there's an opening there. I'm just gonna. Did not even know that was there. Actually, that could be our door. So when we need to enter, we can just remove that. Nobody will know. Alright, so I'll try to find a bad guy for us. I'll also unload my stuff. There we go. So, we are pretty lucky that we have this window. Now, I'm being devious. I'm devious. But yeah, I'm gonna go for a little walk. Should we, first of all, I'm gonna waypoint my house. How do I waypoint? W? That's stupid. That's move. T. Oh. Waypoints. Create waypoint. Waypoint 1. Waypoint color. We'll make it pink. Waypoint name. House. Create waypoint. Oh. Okay, so now we know how to get back. Okay. So I just realized that it's night 1, so I probably don't need to worry as much. It'll progressively get worse. Can I open this door? Probably. So I probably don't need to worry that much right now. But I'm still gonna worry. Because I'm scared. Can I open this door? Nope. I'll just have to move this door. Or... Okay, so I don't think the guys can crouch. So as I remember, unless they updated this game. So I can make that, and then I can crouch. I'm not that short. In real life, I'd be able to fit through there, trust me. Okay. This is gonna be more tricky than I thought. Okay. There we go. I don't think anything's getting through there. So, well, I'll be back when it's morning, guys. Alright, so it's morning now. Oh, that actually might help, because, like, if they try to get through... Oh, blocked by the cage. Never mind. Alright, so... Right now our house is pretty fire, but, it's not good enough for my liking, so... We need an apple. Taking you. What should we name you? Your name is Joe Wyeth. Joe Wyeth can just chill on the couch. He needs a light. He's so... Next night, I'll try to find you guys an employee so you guys can understand how friendly these guys are. There you go, Joe Wyatt. Okay, we need some entertainment. We are very bored in our current state. So, ooh. There we go. And we'll get some of these lights. Okay. Alright. Well, I'm gonna do some quick decorating. I'll be right back, stream. Alright, well, I'm back, guys. I did some decorating, so we got these lights. I think I already showed you that. We got a Rubik's Cube, got that, and a lot more food. Actually didn't really do much. Oh. Okay, let's keep on gameplay. Server age. I've been playing for... That's a while. These things do. Game modes. What? Interesting. Well, this is the place. We're gonna be surviving the night. I'll be back when it's night. I just want to show you guys, you know, the things that can be shown at night. There's some interesting stuff. Hold on. There's a way I can out. Sure. Go crazy. I don't want to go crazy anymore. Okay, whatever. Oh, 5. Okay. Reset all. There we go. Alright. So it's night again. There's... How the hell... Okay, so that was an employee. He's quite small, so we're gonna have to move... Shit. Go back, go back. Rotate, 1! Oh, crap. You make it in. Gonna board up the house. Where'd that light go? I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Germani, or whatever your name is. I have to put you there because I'm scared that they might get in. Okay. Oh, we know one employee's near, I think. Going outside. Move.
Excuse me, the store is now closed.
How are you hitting me?
Exit the building.
Ah! How'd you get in? Stop! Stop it! What is that? Oh, what you gonna do about it, huh? Oh, you're trapped! What's that? Oh, what? How? Stop! 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 Actually, stop! Please, I'm gonna die. Stop! Stop it! Ha! What you gonna do about it? Oh, I think I can get it up there. Wait, where is he getting in? Can he get in now? He's like too short to even be scanned. Oh, he's right there. Oh, you can't get in. Just in case. Alright, I need a med kit. Consume. Oh. Didn't I have to hold it? I had to do something with it. And I remember I was like, why can't I use it? Okay, whatever. I need energy. Put the thing down! Drop it! Maybe these give energy? I'm going outside. Oh, he's right there.
Excuse me.
You're so short.
Please exit the
I've heard
building.
that many times. Okay, I'm gonna go run. Maybe I can find some other employees. Skibbity toilet. Why? Little child's still there. I'm going back to my house. Hopefully he's not still there. Oh, he's still there. Hi, little guy. Are you trapped? Ow! No, he's not trapped.
Excuse me.
No,
The
no,
store
no,
is
no,
now
no.
closed. Please exit the
Let me in.
building.
No. Alright. Well, that's the end of this video. This is like a 20-minute long video, so. See you guys.